ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto our Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 24th of April. Alabama's weather will gradually change as we get into the weekend here. Let's talk about it. We'll go to some Skycam shots early this morning. Hey, that's a nice picture there. That's coming from the Tennessee Valley. That's a Skycam indicator. Lights glowing off of the water of the Tennessee River. Down to the south, there's a look at the Clanton City Hall coming from our Skycam down in Chilton County. And way down south, that's our Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites in Gulf Shores, looking back toward the big high-rise buildings over in Orange Beach to the east. On the water vapor satellite imagery this morning, got a shortwave lifting out of the southern plain states. That produced a rash of severe storms over Texas last night. That will be lifting north of here today. And really just a few high clouds around. We think the day will be warm and dry. And that big trough is out in the northwest. We'll be watching that carefully in coming days. In advance of that trough, there's a moderate risk of severe weather today across parts of Kansas and Nebraska, and a slight risk surrounding that. Tomorrow for Friday, got a slight risk of severe weather all the way from Del Rio, Texas to Milwaukee and Chicago. That includes places like Little Rock and St. Louis. Saturday, got a slight risk of severe weather over parts of Texas and South Oklahoma. And at this point, the guys in Norman don't have a severe weather risk on day 4 for Sunday or Sunday night. I'm beginning to wonder if we might have an issue here Sunday night. Now, day 5, Monday, they've got a risk east of here. But as you'll see in a moment, the modeling kind of suggesting that we might have some problems Sunday night with a severe weather issue here. QPF map, about an inch of rain here. This is valid through Monday evening of next week. And that sounds about right. Let's take a look here. This is the OZGFS valid at 1 o'clock today. There's the shortwave lifting north of here. And the bigger trough off to the west. At the surface, again, today should be dry. We'll call it partly sunny with highs up in the 80s. The tail end of that thing might warrant a slight mention of a shower tonight, but I just think most folks will stay dry. Tomorrow, again, there's just not much dynamic lift here for rain. I think we'll be in pretty good shape. The surface low with that next system is up there near Milwaukee with the trailing front. On Saturday, the front gets down into northwest Tennessee and the Mississippi Delta and stalls out. And again, you can see perhaps the most numerous scattered showers and storms Saturday will be north of Interstate 20 over the northern third of the state. And even there, they will be scattered. It's not going to be a washout. South of Interstate 20, looks like much of the day will be dry. Now Sunday, here comes a pretty powerful upper trough here. This thing with each run looks more impressive. At the surface on Sunday at midday, the primary action is still west of here. Bodes pretty well for the Aaron's 499 at the Super Speedway Sunday. It looks like the core of that will be in here Sunday night. In fact, we'll go to midnight Sunday night. That looks there's your severe weather look. Good upper trough at the surface. The surface low is over Louisville with a trailing front. So we'll be watching for that in coming days to see if that continues to look that way. And then Monday at midday, the front is on to the east. So for the weekend, yes, there could be a shower or storm around Saturday and Sunday, but more and more it looks like the most organized activity will come Sunday night. Monday, we turn cooler with a clearing sky. Tuesday looks beautiful. Highs in the probably low 70s and early morning lows in the 40s. Should be a nice cool day, and the same thing on Wednesday of next week. Deeper into the time frame here, May 7th, there's perhaps our next opportunity of showers and storms. That looks relatively wet there. And a couple of days later, the end of the cycle, ridging in place, big trough out west. And, of course, we all know that that is pure voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.